Hello, that's my baby Sophie. She got me. She got me. We went for shopping yesterday and that's where we get. So we got these items right here. We got strawberries. This is leftovers. We ran out of plastic bags, so that's our chicken, still good. I have here grape leaves and tabbouleh. We got this, we found this at Market Basket, which is awesome. Spaghetti style red beet noodles. I cannot wait to try that. I always have like just the regular, beets. Just so easy to make, but this one is kind of like fun. And I have a spaghetti style butternut noodles. My staple, I always have spinach in my fridge. And Brussels sprouts are my favorite vegetables. I got turkey here, ground turkey. I have chicken in the bottom right there. We always have chicken. And this is corn. The cob. Oh no, let me show you. There you go. Corn on the cob. And tons of organic cage-free eggs. Clementines. This one, ooh yum, my favorite, cherries. I love cherries. And this is for my detox mix that I do at night. I add that with apple cider vinegar. This is Sophie's treat. She likes carrots. And still have a leftover bacon. See, we don't really eat a lot of bacon here in the house. It's been like there for like I think 2 weeks. I don't know if that's still good. Yum. This is probably, if not my first or second favorite fruit, grapefruit. I think my first one is mangosteen, but it's really hard to find here in America. Mangosteen, they're really delicious. You gotta give it a try. I'm gonna put a picture of that here somewhere. That's it, pretty much what we got yesterday from the groceries. And yeah, I do have here too. I got my Chobani coconut yogurt. Jara likes the raspberry, and this is a leftover of my treat. This is still, I don't know if it's still good. Oh yeah, it's still good. I got that like about 2 weeks ago, so yeah. And we have here the brown rice, and we should be covered, but we ran out of plastic wrap. That's still my leftover sauteed onions. It's really staple here in the house. Derry likes this. I don't really like that one, but he likes that. This is my organic coconut milk and sweetened vanilla. And on the freezer, love the Ezekiel breads. So we have cinnamon raisins. If I'm in like a sweet tooth kind of moment, I add a little bit of a peanut butter, but I'm kind of starting to, I think I'm allergic to peanuts now. I can't have a lot of it anymore. And we always love the flax. Some clams. This is the original Ezekiel. Sprouted whole grain bread. Okay, these, let me just fix this. We have a lot of those clams. Love them. And this is, flaxseed meal. Put it in the freezer because we bought extra. Veggie burger. Spring roll wrap. Frozen corn. And ginger. We love ginger. Put it in the freezer so it lasts forever and ever. That's what I have in my fridge, and I'm just gonna organize a little bit here in the kitchen and then ready to set up and do some prepping for meal prep for the week. Alright, let me not forget this stuff too. I have Spanish onions, which you see in the fridge. We like having sauteed onions, sweet potato, and I have purple yam. I was looking for the platanos. What do you call that? The banana that you make platanos. Yeah, the platanos. But they don't have one. That's pretty much it. And this is what I have for my supplements. I don't really take a lot of supplements, I guess. I just love the Arbonne supplements. I got the detox tea here. See, got the digestion plus 7-day cleanse, energy fizz sticks orange, energy fizz sticks pomegranate. It's almost gone. Daily fiber boost. I got the protein shake vanilla. This one I take too in the morning. Green balance. And these are my old supplements. Muscle tag. I just got this from Walmart, I think. So I think that's almost gone. I got the glutamine powder there, and amino DCAA. Oh, I can't do any meal prep right now. I'm missing one big major ingredient of my prep meal. Coconut oil. It's gone. Gone. So I need to go to the Portsmouth health food stores so I can get more coconut milk. Because, I mean, not coconut milk, coconut oil. This is the only one so far that I really like. I love this one, so I'm gonna go and check out some of that at the Portsmouth health food store, which is maybe about 5 minutes from here, and I'll be right back. Hi everyone, this is my baby Sophie. She likes kisses. Hello, say hello, Sophie. Hello. Oh, she got me.